In this tutorial, I will introduce the theory of quadratic equation. So what are the theory of quadratic equation? In this tutorial, I will show you how to prove the sum of the roots and product of the root formulas. In quadratic equation, the general form which is ax squared plus what? Plus bx plus c, it will be equals to e. We all know that. Suppose I'm dividing both sides by the coefficient of a. If I divide both sides by coefficient of a, coefficient of a, coefficient of a, so therefore a will cancel e. It will be equals to x squared plus what? Plus b over ax plus what? C over a. It will be equals to 0. Okay, sorry, it will become automatically 0 because 0 divided by any number, it will be equals to 0. So let's suppose if the root of an equation, if the root of the equation, suppose root of equation are alpha and what? Are alpha and beta. If the root of the equation are alpha and beta, or it will be equals to 0, so therefore automatically if I say x squared plus what? B over a of x plus c over a, it will be equals to what? Alpha and what? Alpha and beta. So let's alpha and beta be equals to, let's say x minus what? X minus alpha, sorry, x minus alpha and what? X minus beta. So therefore x minus alpha bracket x minus what? Minus beta. Let me factorize. Okay, sorry, let me expand these brackets. Sorry, let me multiply the first bracket and what? And the second bracket. So therefore if I say x multiplied by x, it will give me x squared, and therefore x multiplied by what? Beta, it will give me what? Is it negative or positive? X multiplied by beta, it will give me what? Negative x beta, yeah? And therefore minus alpha multiplied by what? X, it will give me what? Minus what? Minus beta x, yes? And therefore if I say negative alpha multiplied by positive beta, it will give me positive alpha what? Alpha beta. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that if I said x squared, I have to factorize. I have to factor x. So what am I going to do? If I said minus, it's the same thing as saying positive alpha plus what? Alpha plus beta x plus what? Plus alpha beta. Did you agree with that? Yes. But you have to understand, here it will become what? It will become negative sign. So I have the value of what? Sorry, the value of negative alpha plus beta. So therefore at this stage, I have what? B over what? V over E. So therefore it will be equals to what? V over what? Over A. Yes. The next thing to do, I have C over A. In what? In the location of this alpha beta. So therefore alpha beta, it will be equals to C over what? Over A. Sorry, alpha beta, it will be equals to C over A. But we have negative sign, and therefore if we are going to find, or let me say that the x plus beta, alpha plus beta is what? Is the subject of the formula. Therefore there is no way subject of the formula should have negative sign. So therefore alpha plus what? Alpha plus beta, it will be automatically equals to minus B over A. So therefore this is what we call the sum of the roots, and therefore the alpha beta, it will be what? The product of what? Of the rule. So therefore, this is all I have for you in Introduction to Theory of Quadratic Equation, how the sum of the roots of the formula is proved, and also how the product of the root formula is proved. Let me show you 1 or 2 examples on it. If alpha and beta are root of 3x squared minus 4x minus 1, it will be equal to 0. Compute alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So this is very easy. As we prove the formula of sum of the roots, alpha plus beta, it will be equals to what? It will be equals to minus v over a. So therefore, minus the value of v. This is what? This is a, this is b, this is c. The value of b, which is minus 4 over what? The value of a, which is 3, it will be equals to minus, it will become positive. Therefore, 4 over 3. So therefore, this is the sum of the roots. The product of the roots, the alpha multiplied by beta, it will be equals to what? C over a. The value of c, which is negative 1, divided by what? Value of a, which is 3. Automatically, minus 1 over 3 is the product of the roots. So this is the very easiest question. Question 2. One root of the equation 27x squared plus bx plus 8, it will be equals to 0, is known to be the square of the other. Find the value of v. So we are just to find the value of what? The value of v. 27x what? X squared plus bx plus 8, it will be equals to 0. So I have to divide both sides by the coefficient of 27. Just divide both sides by a coefficient of 27. Yeah, so therefore 27 will cancel 27. So therefore you are left with x squared plus what? B over 27. X plus what? Plus x divided by what? 27. It will be equals to what? It will be equals to 0. So I have to recall. What will be the root of this value and the root of this value? So first, let alpha plus what? Alpha plus alpha squared will be equals to what? Sorry, it will be equals to, yes, it will be equals to v over 27. Yeah. And then, if I multiplied but alpha square, it will be equals to alpha cube. Therefore, it will be equals to what? This 8 over 27. I hope you get it. I just say let alpha plus alpha square be this value, and therefore alpha multiplied by alpha cube, it will give you what? Alpha. Okay, alpha multiplied by alpha square, it will be equals to alpha cube. I just let it. You can use anything else, but just to name this root and this root in order to find the value of b. So I have to first find the value of alpha and alpha square. The value of what? Alpha square, it will be equals to, in this 8 over 27, if I say 27 divided by 3, it will give me 9. 27 divided by 3, it will give me 9. And therefore, 8 divided by 2, it will give me what? 4. So therefore, 4 over 9. Just divide it. And therefore, divide it again, which is alpha. So therefore, what can go into 4? 2 can go. And therefore, what can go into 9? 3 can go. So now, if you say that 2 squared, it will give you 4. So this means the alpha square. 3 squared, it will give you 9, which means the alpha square. And what? We find the value of what? Alpha square and the value of what? Beta squared. Then, let's get back to this latent that we do. Alpha plus beta or plus alpha square. Alpha plus what? Alpha squared, it will be equals to v over what? 27. The value of alpha is 2 over 3 plus value of alpha square 4 over 9. It will be equals to v over 27. The LCM between them is 9. 9 into what? 9 into 3. It will give you what? 3. Yeah. So therefore 3 multiplied by 2, it will give you 6. plus what? 9 into 9, it will give you 1. 1 multiplied by 4, it will give you 4. It will be equals to b over 27. 6 plus what? Plus 4, it will give you 10 over what? 9, it will be equals to what? b over 27. If I cross multiply it and say 27 multiplied by what? 10, it will give me 270. So, therefore, the 270, it will be equals to what? 9v. Divide both sides by 9. Divide both sides by what? Divide both sides by 9. So, what will I going to get? If I say 9 will cancel 9, the 270 divided by 9, it will give me what? b, it will be equals to 30. But there is something that I just want to tell you. From what? From b, the formula that says alpha plus what? Beta, it will be equals to what? Minus b over a. And therefore, we have the value of a. So therefore, there must be minus a. I forget to put the negative sign. So there is negative sign here. So therefore, if there is negative sign here, from here, you are going to put what? Negative what? Negative sign. And therefore, there is negative sign here. And therefore, there is negative sign here. If I divide both sides by negative, negative, you see that the negative will cancel negative. So therefore, the answer it will become minus 30. So this is all I have for you for the theory of quadratic equation with 2 examples. I hope the 2 examples will help you in what? In this topic, theory of quadratic equation. Please kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for notifications so that you will be notified immediately if I upload the content. Thanks you for watching.